Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 Life 2.0 TDI-D in sleek black. This estate vehicle boasts a 2-litre diesel engine, automatic transmission, and a host of comfort and safety features like cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and multiple airbags. With luxury trim, LED lights, and a trailer stability program, this Tiguan offers both style and security. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a power boot close, satellite navigation, and voice control. Rest assured with ABS, collision avoidance braking, and hill start assist. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information.